JEM stands for the JELD-WEN Excellence Model. JELD-WEN is the world's largest manufacturer of window and doors and other building products. And simply put, JEM is a system that allows us to identify systemic waste and helps us solve that and drive value add into our processes. Digitalization is really important, and it's part of our JEM system. We were looking for a maintenance software, but what we found in L2L was a way to manage our process. We launched L2L as a pilot deployment at our Dodson, Louisiana plant. If we measured Dodson against all the other fiber plants, they were dead last. I mean, not even close. And now it's becoming a force. The digitalization of the process allows us to increase the speed of execution, track our response time, and understand how quickly are we resolving these issues. And it's allowing us to monitor, track for longer systemic issues within our process. And our yield has improved. The beauty of L2L, it's not for me. The operators and technicians have real-time information. We're optimizing the frontline workers. That's how you become successful. Our vision of what Dodson could be, we can see the path to get there. Where before it was kind of a dream, before it was just an idea, something, wouldn't it be nice if we could? But now we have a means to get there, which is so powerful. We have identified other champions within the organization who want to take on that same implementation of L2L. I think we can use this application in every one of our sites. The excitement, the energy that it's created is really contagious. I mean, it's been a huge success for us.